Ever catch yourself saying things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always mess up"? It's that voice in your head, the one that doubts you, criticizes you, holds you back. It's not the truth, it's your inner critic. But what if I told you, you have the power to silence it? Let's dive into how to conquer your inner critic and rewire your mind for confidence, success, and self-love. The voice inside our head is sometimes our biggest cheerleader. But let's be honest, sometimes it's more like that roommate you had in college who never did their dishes. That voice that tells you you're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough. Many of us struggle with negative self-talk, and we don't even realize how much it holds us back. But here's the good news. We don't have to let that inner critic take control. We have the power to change the way we talk to ourselves. We're going to unpack the tools and strategies to help you challenge those negative thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations, and finally quiet that inner critic. The first step is awareness. We can't change what we don't acknowledge, right? Pay attention to your inner dialogue. What phrases does your inner critic use? Write those thoughts down. Get them out of your head. It's like holding a mirror to your critic. Don't judge yourself. We all have these thoughts. The key is bringing them to the surface. Now that we're familiar with our inner critic's greatest hits, it's time to challenge those negative thoughts. Reframing is looking at the situation from a different perspective. Ask yourself, what went well? What can I learn? Another technique is cognitive restructuring. Identify and challenge the beliefs fueling those thoughts. Dismantle their power over you. Practice, and you'll be amazed at your power over your thoughts. Let's talk about the power of positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we can repeat to ourselves to challenge negative thoughts and build self-esteem. Think of it like planting seeds in your garden. Negative thoughts are like weeds. They'll choke out the good stuff if we let them. But positive affirmations are like planting flowers. The more we nurture them, the more beautiful our garden will become. So how do we come up with affirmations that actually resonate? Start by identifying the areas where you tend to struggle with negative self-talk. Is it your work, your relationships, your body image? Once you've identified those areas, start crafting affirmations that directly address those negative thoughts. The key is to choose affirmations that feel authentic to you. If you don't believe the words you're saying, it's not going to work. And don't worry if it feels a little awkward or uncomfortable at first. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. When we talk about conquering our inner critic, we can't underestimate the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in this moment without judgment. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. Think of your mind like a stream. Our thoughts are like the leaves floating on the surface. We're simply observing them float by. There are many ways to cultivate mindfulness, like meditation or mindful movement. Tune into your body and senses. Notice the warmth of the sun, the taste of coffee, the sound of laughter. These small moments help us reconnect with the beauty and joy in our lives. There's no magic pill, no quick fix for silencing that inner critic forever. It takes time, it takes practice, and it takes a whole lot of self-compassion. There will be days when you wake up feeling like you can conquer the world, and there will be days when you feel like you're back to square one. And that's okay. It's all part of the process. The important thing is that you don't give up on yourself. Keep showing up, keep practicing these techniques, and keep believing in your own worthiness. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, therapist, or anyone who lifts you. This journey of self-discovery and self-love is a lifelong adventure. Embrace the ups and downs, celebrate your progress, and never stop believing in your own amazing potential. I hope this video has given you practical tools and inspiration to start conquering your own inner critic. Remember, the more we practice self-compassion and challenge negative thoughts, the more we pave the way for a fulfilling and joyful life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on mental health, personal growth, and living a more authentic life. I would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, insights, and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from and inspire one another.